Hello all, in this video we demonstrate on adding custom 404 page in Kentico 12. As if now there is no 404 page for a demo site, just showing server error. So, we will create one custom 404 page. Log in to Kentico CMS desk with your credentials. Go to Pages. Go to Master Page, and click on plus icon, and select Page. Here, select the desired template. In this demonstration, we just inherited parent page template. Enter the page name, and click Save. Now you can view the 404 page with no content. Now you can add your desired content and its styles. You can also add the image if you want. Then click Save. You can view live page by clicking on Kentico icon. Now go to Configuration, and select Settings. Select your website, and click on Content. Here, uncheck the Inherit from Global Settings option and enter 404 page URL. And click Save. Now you can view 404 page when you look for page that doesn't exist. Thank you for watching this video.